Good morning. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's having a great morning and a great trading session so far. Welcome to another live stream. I've taken one trade, it lost, and that's all I've done so far. I did decide to stay on the 24-tick chart today because the VIX is 20 this morning so far. So we'll see what happens. Good morning, Trenches. How are you this morning? Good morning. But yeah, I took a trade back here somewhere. It was a buy. Got stopped out, came down a little bit further, and that's when the push actually happened. Negative delta. Have you traded at all yet this morning, Trenches? We do have high impact news coming up at 9 o'clock. I'm gonna treat that as still a 1 bar pullback, even though it detached itself. I'm gonna go get some water real quick. Good morning, ladies. We've been slinging it. I'll trade at the open, which I held it longer. Oh, you wish you held it longer. All right. Let's see what we're looking like on the pullback. Good morning, New. How are you this morning? Good morning. When did May 29th? All right. Got 2 weeks left. Oh, finally, the data lag is gone. It's been over a second this whole time. Mhm. All right. Really just waiting on the pullback. I am gonna stop at 858 for news though. This this drop right here kind of sucks because I really wanted to take it, but the delta was positive, so I couldn't. It was like positive 50. Yeah, I needed the delta to move. I don't like this buy right here. Not enough volume in the swing up compared to the swing down. Good morning, Applejacks. How are you this morning? Good morning. How was London? Oh. Okay. Tells me all I need to know. I can't believe it's Friday already. I was on Twitter and I seen somebody post something and they were like, this was last night. And they were like, yeah, thank God it's Friday. I'm like, what are you talking about? And then I was like, yo, it really is Friday. What the hell? I just knew it was like Thursday. I don't know. I was tripping. Oh, here comes high impact news. I lost way more on that trade than I should have. Well, only like an extra, what, $15 or something. Too much. You looked at the market last night like, damn, what Trump do now? Oh my goodness. Probably all the freaking deploying all these dang on, what do you call them people? National Guard and all this other stuff. I read somewhere that when he deployed the ones in California, he forgot they needed a place to stay and food. You just never know. Wait, what? Oh. My head is banging. All these sinuses. It's not my typical nerve pain headache. We had a gap up on the 1 minute chart. War? He talked about war? Oh, did it have to do with the India stuff? All right, 1 more minute for the market to stabilize out, and then I'll be able to trade. Hopefully we can get back green on these accounts. Part of me wonders if I should have went down to the 20-tick chart though, because we started at 20 on the VIX this morning, but of course, as the market continues for the day, it keeps dropping. But It's still pretty much at 20, so I feel like a 24 tick chart should be just fine. It's when the VIX is like 16 and 18 that like, yeah, no, a 24 is just not gonna work. Oh, Israel and I got you. Good morning, Janelle. How are you this morning? Good morning. Hmm. Leave it back up there. I do want to be in that trade. I didn't realize that we cleared the bar over here. So I wanted the volume of the bar to be more than what was in the zone. This bar is not in the zone. It's like a few ticks above it. Oh, I was looking for a buy, but it looks like we're gonna push down instead. We just changed the point of control change, but the delta is negative now, so I wouldn't get in anyway. Very interesting. My auntie is so loud. This bar, this outside bar right here that looked like it was gonna reverse, the sellers just stepped in so hard there. There's like 700 volume in that candle, and then the delta ended up being negative 95. Very interesting. I didn't think he was gonna push up that hard. 23. I'm still in a trade, bro. Probably because of the way I had to stop in like that. When I put the orders in after the bar closed, it's obviously a market order at that point. So I guess my entry might have been too late. Like I got filled kind of trash on the Tradeify on the follower. So I was still in the trade. Whatever. I guess I could have stayed in it because no, because I didn't really want to lose on it for no reason. I did notice like what was that? Maybe 2 days ago. Yeah, I should have been filled, bro. Oh no. But I did notice the other day that on one of my trades, I watched the replay. The Tradeify account was showing on my screen, and it was my follower, and my take profit was put at 10.5 points instead of 6.5, because I was wondering why I was still in the trade, and that was why. Good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? This isn't divergence because the double bottom is technically a higher low, so I would need this to make a lower low to even think to get into a trade. Yeah, I guess I would have ended up getting filled on the TP down here, but basically my entry on the Tradeify account was like 2 ticks late because of the market order, basically. Trying to see if we're gonna end up taking a buy here. Stop clicking that button. Nope. I liked it before the point of control moved. There was equal volume in this reversal bar down and the reversal bar up. All right, we'll wait. See if it creates divergence. Not as people calling to talk to her, like, hello, this is my phone. Oh my goodness. I'm weak. 22. I don't like it. What the fuck? Is Monday a holiday? When is Juneteenth? Oh, Juneteenth is Friday. Okay. Oh, Thursday? Are you sure? Come on with the imbalances. Oh my God. It's gonna drive me crazy. Is it Thursday or Friday? Google says Friday the 20th. Oh, now it's saying June 19th. How come? I promise you, it just told me June 20th. Damn, I can't find it now. Okay. Thank you, Applejacks. It was when was Juneteenth? Because initially this thing said June 20th, and then now it's saying, man, can I find the history? Oh shit, I just backed up. Yeah, it's Thursday. The initial AI thingy, or AI thingy, the initial, you know, when you type in Google how it does like an AI thing first, it said June 20th. But then when I just did it again, it said June 19th. Is it always the same date? I don't know these things. I don't pay attention to holidays. No, it has 10th in the name. Okay. So is it always June 19th? You little smart aleck heathen. 19th, June 19th, Juneteenth. Okay. Okay. Thank you for our history lesson, ma'am. We do need it. Janelle needed it yesterday for talking about Mario. I have not forgot. Oh my gosh, my head is banging. Ugh. All right, come on, market, do something, please. I really just want to see if we bounce up and rotate back down here. How did it attach to the lower low? It's supposed to attach to the higher low. That's always how I remember. Oh, you weren't actually trying to be a smartass? Don't know if we should believe you. These freaking imbalances are gonna piss me off. Oh, 1K. Oh, no, no, no. I want to get out of that. I didn't see that huge delta bar right there. What did I hold? The delta of this little bar right here is like 133. That's not what I wanted. I'm glad I got out. Very glad I got out. Girl, Janelle. Whoo, it's the 3 thumbs down for me. Calm it down. You don't even have to do all that. Why you have to be this way? What's wrong with you? You was just rude. Just so rude. Oh, we got it equals. Okay, now it's not equal anymore. $1,000. When are we gonna get the reversal? Really, bro? Is VWAP not gonna catch it? No, it's not. What? These moves are so ridiculous today. I wanted to take this sell right here, but this is the same trade I lost earlier. So, yeah. Ooh, it doesn't just change so quickly. Nope. We stalled too long there. I want to go look real quick. The trade I lost. Since the market's doing what the fuck you want to do, you gotta do what I want to do. Where's that trade at? It's here. Yeah, it's literally the same trade I just lost. Okay. I wanted to make sure I wasn't tripping. My limit of people interaction today, so I don't have any clowning left. Oh man. What the? Why am I still in trades? This is what are we talking about? Button. Whatever. Whatever. I don't know. Whatever. I'm not even gonna even say anything. But that trade was extremely fast. I don't even know if you guys saw it. Ay, ay, ay. That legit was probably less than a second. Let's see. 1.028. Yeah, it was like 0.5 seconds. Balance again. You like him, I love him, then I guess it's the I guess for me. I've never seen a Mario super fan for real, for real. Well, you see what now? Well, I wouldn't even say I'm a super fan, but I just love him, okay? Is that okay that I love him? Jeez. YouTuber on live though. Are these you talking about the one that off the other one while the dude was live? Oh my gosh. Like, first of all, let's start with you were in his city. He was live the day before saying how he was out looking for you. Legit was like, yeah, I heard, I don't know if he said my biggest, I forgot what he said. He was like, he in my city and I'm looking for you. I heard you're gonna be at such and such tomorrow. I'ma be there. I'ma be there. And then so maybe he just didn't realize internet beef is gonna become real life for some people. And I don't know the full story. I saw something about the black guy was bullying the other one. And I only got that context from a comment that said, talking about him off of himself and he killed you instead or something like that. Um, one of them I think was sending their followers to the other one's page to try to get them like demonetized or something. Like it was a lot going on. It was a lot going on. Yeah, too much for me. I just I don't get it. And then you know that your biggest op, you in his city. You had to have known he went live and said he was looking for you, and you decide to go live while you're on the strip so that he knows exactly where you are. And then for the wife, after he shot her husband, the first thing she thinks of is grabbing the goddamn camera. You gotta be playing. You gotta be playing. Cause what? I just don't understand. 39, I think it's the highest. I don't get it. Don't get it. I'm trying to see if we're gonna push down from overnight high right here, but it doesn't look like it wants to. See, 63. But yeah, that was literally just insanity. No other way to put it. 35. Trying to see if we're gonna use any of these levels to bounce off of. It's not looking like it. No, maybe VWAP? Maybe none of them. 30. 30 is the highest delta. As long as we don't get a imbalance in the bar, I'll be taking this sell. Ooh, that turned neutral. All right, we're back. Oh, we're gonna pump up instead. Very interesting. Oh, shit. Now, if we do push down, we have to like fix the volume here. Volume has to overtake that bar. Buyers are wanting a push. All right, I'm gonna get in. As long as this VWAP stays curled up. That was a trap. I'm gonna still take it, but actually, oh, no. Please fill me. No! I did not realize that we gained too much volume on that swing, and I realized it at the last second. And that's why I set the break even, but I had also pressed the close button a second time because I was trying to get the order to not be there, and it put me in a double order. I just lost all my freaking progress right there. That's so annoying. Claim self-defense. That's from just local people. Yeah, I agree, Trenches. I absolutely agree. Y'all, I just lost all my freaking progress. I'm so annoyed. So freaking annoyed, bro. I literally was trying to get out of that trade, not to be in it. Oh my God. But self-defense is crazy. We literally saw you on camera walk up and pow, pow, pow. And somebody that I know on Facebook was literally right behind them when everything happened. Yeah. It probably was a shock thing, but it's also like that just lets you know how addicted you are to picking up a camera because your husband is shot and the first thing you do is and grab a camera. You don't want to run at all. Y'all, I'm so mad about this trade, like so mad. I was cool with everything as long as the volume stayed below 2.7. And that's why I was like, wait. And then I thought about it and I was like, no, no, no. Broke even. And literally it did not fill me on the break even. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Especially with the double order. If I wasn't in a double order, it wouldn't have really mattered, but fuck, man. I could have ended this freaking day green. I was up like 260 or something. Oh, so fucking trash. So annoying. So fucking annoying. I'm so annoyed. This is why I hate when I'm so zoomed in on my entry chart, but I have to be because I have to see the little delta numbers. If I was more out, zoomed out, I would have saw the volume on the swing. Oh, that fucking sucks. Mistakes were made. Come on, give me a pullback before this session ends. Oh, that's so freaking frustrating. All right, remember 1,000. Oh, that just ruined my day. Are we not going to get a pullback in the next 5 minutes? That fucking sucks. Oh, sorry guys. Oh. You funky bastard. Damn, how far are we gonna drop? Maybe too low? Nope. Seems like he wants to pull back to, yeah. Now there's too much volume in the candle and I don't like to trade anymore unless, oh. Why would you give me a neutral point of control? The market hates me. 2.8, that's not enough volume on the swing down. I am so upset. Like, I don't care about losing trades if I follow my rules. I don't give a shit. But when I make mistakes, and I try to correct the mistakes very quickly by hitting the break even button, it didn't get down there. It came one tick from filling my break even. One. I'm pushing it to 10 o'clock. Maybe I shouldn't. Because what if my next trade is a loss as well? I'll be okay with it. I'll accept a loss if it happens. Or will I? Shall I end it or no? Technically, I'm break even on the Take Profit Trader account. I just lost $35 in commissions. But I am down on the Tradeify account. So how about this? How about I'll just take a trade on the Tradeify account. That's an eval, so if it loses, that's fine. I cannot believe I freaking did that. kind of want to just wait for a counter trend pullback right here. Yeah, now I have to. Oh my gosh. That's so annoying. Well, it might turn into a trend pullback at this point if we break here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Just look at it. Okay, well, one tick from hitting my break even on a trade I shouldn't have been in anyway. And bounced up right on off that VWAP. All right, what is the volumes looking like? So 1K up there. The point of control moved down, I would be able to take the trade. Or that. It's not what I want. I'm just really trying to take one more trade to see if I can end up break even on the Tradeify account. And if I lose it, it's whatever. I still got like 2 weeks left on the account. But I can't push it past 10 because I got somewhere to be at 11:30. I would have much rather taken the trade down there. I guess I'll just get a big fat nothing burger instead. What a rookie mistake. All right, let's see if we can get a pullback for the counter trend move. Or this instead. Gosh, pretty sure this is on my traded by account. Yes. Oh shit! Oh, that's invalid. Imbalance. Okay. All right, so I'm looking for the pullback for the sell. What a hoot. He was almost in intermittent beef with Apple Jacks. Oh my goodness. Come on, market, do something. Just one more little trade. I don't know why I'm doing this. The one more trades gets everyone. Oh my goodness. Hello, do something. I didn't really want to double bottom. Beggars can't be choosers, I guess. I would really like for us to create a lower low, come back, and then use this support level as resistance and push down on it. That's what I would like to see. You didn't open any charts today? Baby, I wish I didn't. Nah, I was cool till that last stupid ass trade. That trade hold me big time. Hold myself. That's what I get for not paying attention to the volume though. So it's literally my fault. All my fault. Oh, it's 10 o'clock. Well, we'll see if this trade does anything. If not, it might be hold here. Does nothing for me, does nothing for me, does nothing for me. We didn't stall there long enough. I don't really like this buy because I would have to break even right there at the VWAP. I highly doubt push through it. All right, no matter what, the next reversal bar, I'm done. I gotta be somewhere in an hour and a half, and I still got a journal, which is gonna take a little minute. Yeah, I'm screwed there. All right. Let me show you guys the account so I get the fuck on. I'm so annoyed. All right. So I took 7 trades. Let's see. I won 3, lost 3, broke even on 1. Actually, no. I won 3 and lost 2, but one of them was a double entry and broke even on 1. Overall, honestly, not a bad day whatsoever. Like, I followed my rules besides the last trade, which I technically still followed the rule by breaking even once I realized it was invalidated. I just didn't get filled on a break even, which sucks, but yeah, everything was great until then. But even the first trade that I lost, it followed my rules at the time, so it is what it is. Let me show you guys what the drawdown and everything looks like. But what I can say is I probably am going to try to stick to this. What I do want to do this weekend, if I don't go out of town, because I might go out of town on Sunday, I'm not sure. But I want to look at like the way I was trading before, look at some of the like clusters of wins on those analysis sheets and go through and try to look for those particular trades so I can see like what was the common denominator in those wins and how I can try to make that work with the way I'm trading now. Because to be honest with you, I like the concept of the way I'm trading right now, where I'm only paying attention to what happened right here, like in the recent activity. And it kind of makes sense why this would probably work better long term. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys, all the back testing that I've been doing for months and months and months and months and months, I'm not going through and doing a thorough back test. It took me like 12 hours just to get all of the trades from April 7th, just to collect all of those because it's a lot on that particular day, and I always use that as my base. And then it took me like another 4 hours to correct something like the next day. So I kind of just want to stick to what I have right now and just build on it. Um, and just understand that I'm going to incur some losses along the way, which I'm absolutely fine with. But I can see that already for the most part, it's kind of clustering the losses together pretty well on the analysis sheet. So, and that's kind of how I knew, like on the trade that I just lost with the unintentional double entry, like I knew to break even right away. Like I just knew it because I knew that that would more than likely incur a loss, which it did. So yeah, I think I'll end up sticking with this. So hopefully it works out. But so this is what the accounts are looking like. Still in profit overall on the TPT account. So I can't really be mad, especially since I technically like switched I didn't switch strategies altogether, but kind of sorta this week. So yeah, not too bad. And then 1140 something left on the Tradeify account. And like I said, I still have 2 weeks left with that account. And of course, the goal is going to be to try to pass it by then. But in the meantime, I'm still going to trade my TPT funded account. If it blows, it blows, but hopefully it doesn't. So yeah. But I thank you guys for tuning in. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early Monday morning at 8:45 Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe. And I'll see you guys Monday. Yes, Amelia, not a horrible week at all. And oh my God, the trade popped off right here. I hate this market. Bye, y'all. Oh gosh.